Static Selector.
I'm a walking bad habit, eat tabs up in the cabinet. Savage rap status, vocabulary extravagant. A rock star, popping rocks in bars. Used to flip bud, now just rapping, caught me a car. No telling, Connecticut felon. I GPS him and find my mark like Magellan. With more lines than Corey Feldman, I never cease to impress him. I cardiac arrest him with every studio session. I'm killing him, no question. Web's back, better hold your breath when I'm rhyming home. I murder beats, I'm Jonah Hex with a microphone. Fiends saying I'm the dopest yet, and haters, I shrug them off until my fucking shoulders sweat. I'm breaking bones, a modern version of Casey Jones. Sword in hand, I'm the winner playing the Game of Thrones. Fuck beef, my rapping style's filet mignon. Getting drunk, fuck your driver, somebody take me home.
Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch. Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch. I know that I should change, but I don't really think I can. It's just part of my nature, I never cracked and never ran. The world is falling on me when my back was in a jam. I always kept on fighting, that's exactly who I am. And this is who I am, no way that I can change it. I'm buck wild, stupid and dangerous. My best friends are not strangers. These are the motherfuckers I hang with. We speak the same language, and I ain't saying French, English, or Spanish, or Spanglish. I mean pain and anguish. This cocaine slaying and bang bang shit. Mac 11s that we aim with. In other words, I'm rolling with the same clique I came with. On the same list, and fuck being famous. Fame dreams are for groupies. I'm a real life gangster that you ain't seen in the movies. What I mean is I'm truly off the hook, like a phone in a nursing home, homie. I'm that Boston crook. Take me home. Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch. Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch.
I damage tracks, so listeners always ran it back. Always with a half ounce stuffed into a sandwich bag. I kill it quickly and always keeping the realest with me. Stealing all the fucking insulin from Wilford Brimley. Diabetes, rappers could never beat us. I've been spitting shit like this since I was just a fucking fetus. Keep your chick with me as long as she give dome. Rolling up the diesel and burning like Jim Rome.
Now I stand here as a man with the past, the inspiration for the kids on the corner, but still got the laugh of a mental patient. The infiltration of the game, born from a central hatred of fame. A pencil shaking with pain, an entrance staked in a claim from the wrath I became. My paragraphs I'm saying are futuristic pictures of the past from which I came. And this is slain with the shoddy and the hoopty, son. My whole career's a robbery that they could never scoop me from. Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch. Take me home now, bitch. Watch for the cops hit the blinker when you switch lanes, cause you know that I'm famous and I'm rich. Eyes on the road, take me home now, bitch.
I started in the game on the grind and I still am. All of it off the sweat of my back without a deal, man. Spit it real and treat them like protected areas in Alaska, cause they about to know the drill, man. So fucking illy that I gotta pop a pill again. Adderall, XR, 20 or 30 milligrams. Gotta stay focused in the land of opportunity. Prepared for any twist and turn that anybody threw at me. Grew to be a beast, learned it all up in the cypher. I'm off the top floor to 90% of you writers. Regardless of my fucking heritage and nationality, I grew up decapitating anybody who battled me. Rapping rapidly, ain't nobody be laughing me. Jackie joined the curse, he's 26 paces and back of me. An alcoholic, but fuck it, homie, I'd rather be liquored up, not giving a fuck and living lavishly. On the go, hard diet, I burn calories, setting fire to mics of the melted plastic and ash. You see, I've lost my marbles, somebody should straight jacket me, latch it and throw the key in the deepest part of the blackest sea. Toss me on an island like fucking Survivor casted me, and still I'll make it back and make every hater a casualty. Running Connecticut, shouts to my homie Apathy, and shouts to everyone who supported me on my path to be successful in one way or another, cause grammatically they know no one can fuck with my metaphorical masterpiece. Got the fucking Grim Reaper coming after me. The good die young, someone show me where the casket's be.
I keep on moving forward with my head held high, and do this shit forever, or at least until I die. Ain't no use in stopping, I got nothing left to hide. Do this shit forever, you couldn't stop me if you tried.
Nobody fucking with my flow, man. Modern day Conan, sword swinging in both hands. Hip hop, that's all I know, man. Bang bitches to Chronic 2001, motherfucker slow jam. Keep grinding till the day that Webby holds the belt. Make my haters sit the fuck down, Frankie Roosevelt. With that polio flow, homie, I'm dope as hell. Captain of my movement and I'm treating all my soldiers well. My fans know I won't give rhyming a rest, and I mean that. From the left side of my chest, I got heart. So all you motherfuckers step your game up. Me with a microphone's like Bob Ross with a paintbrush. All you lame fucks getting pummeled from the waist up. I don't need a cheap shot to leave your ass laid up. Shane Mosley with punches fucking your face up. Eating that Ruth's Chris, now let me raise the stakes up.
Keep on moving forward with my head held high, and do this shit forever, or at least until I die. Ain't no use in stopping, I got nothing left to hide, and do this shit forever, you couldn't stop me if you tried. Keep on moving forward with my head held high, and do this shit forever, or at least until I die. Ain't no use in stopping, I got nothing left to hide, and do this shit forever, you couldn't stop me if you tried.
God damn it, Lorenzo, get the fuck out of here. Lorenzo, what the fuck?